Today I'm going to show you how to navigate our new adopted ZMOD zoning ordinance. First, head to our ZMOD website, our ZMOD homepage, and you can scroll through a little bit of the overview information and click on the Review the Adopted Zoning Ordinance link. That will take you to the cover page of the Adopted Zoning Ordinance, where you can scroll on down to the Table of Contents. This is all hyperlinks. You can navigate from this table of contents through the different subsections. First, I'm going to start with the zoning districts and give you an example showing the residential zoning districts. Each zoning district has a purpose statement, an aerial example, and some example imagery, as well as a lot and building dimensional standards table. It gives you different regulations such as the open space or the different setbacks or maximum building height. And then there's a keyed graphic that goes along with that dimensional table. You can also navigate the document through the left-hand side. We do have a table of contents bar with bookmarks here. You can expand or collapse the different articles and subsections using this tool. So we'll use this to navigate to the use tables. We have two use tables, one for residential, commercial, industrial districts, and the other for planned development districts. So between these two use tables, you'll see the different uses outlined. In the conventional district tables, you'll see a gold bar for the use classification, followed by a bone-colored bar for the use category, and then the individual uses are beneath those two different breakouts. You'll see the zoning districts delineated across the top, and on the right-hand side, you're going to see the use-specific standards. These are all hyperlinked as well. So we're going to use an example today of the commercial recreation, indoor or indoor commercial recreation use. You'll navigate down to the recreation and entertainment category, and you'll see the use here. Now, if you wanted to know if it's permitted in the C7 district, you'll go across the top, you'll see the C7 district, and follow the column on down to see the P for permitted. Now, you do want to check out those use-specific standards, which, like I mentioned, are hyperlinked, so you can click right to them, and it'll tell you what standards are applicable when it's in all scenarios, when it's permitted by right, or when it's permitted by special exception or special permit. One of the great parts of our new ordinance is that we do have use definitions for all of the uses that you see in those two tables. So we'll navigate to Article 9, which houses those definitions, and you'll see the definition here of the commercial recreation, indoor use. It gives you, examples of what the uses may be and different characteristics of that use itself. If you have any further questions, please feel free to reach out to our ZMOD team via email or via phone. Also, please stay tuned and check back to our website. We'll be posting additional educational materials as well as scheduling educational outreach events. Thanks.